Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your game activity inside of Discord. So you first need to head over to the Discord application, and you need to make sure that it's the official Discord application and not a web browser, as this will only work in the app. So now if I come over to my profile picture here, you can see that it's showing us our game activity of playing Age of Empires. So if you want to get rid of this activity status, then what you need to do is come over to settings in the bottom left hand side, scroll all the way down to activity privacy. So underneath activity status, we need to uncheck share your detected activities with others, and also share your activity status when joining large servers. We're going to also unselect that. And if you want to apply this change to all of your pre-existing servers, just go ahead and press yes. Then if I press the escape key and come back over to my Discord application, you can see now if I click on my profile icon, it's not showing my game activity. Now if you just want to disable one game in particular, then we can also do that by coming back over to settings, and let's re-enable the privacy over here. And what we're going to do instead is come over to registered games, and as you can see it's detecting that I'm currently playing Age of Empires. Now if we just want to remove Age of Empires but we still want Discord to detect our other games, then we can do this just by pressing this toggle detection, and as you can see that's going to remove it from the list. Click on the escape key, and then if I come back to my profile icon, you can see again it's not showing Age of Empires here. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you hide your game activity inside of Discord. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.